Now we start the session by the some more important problems in exercise 13.4. We discussed in previous session probability distribution and random variables. Based upon that concept only, some more problems we discuss here. Problem number 8 in exercise. A random variable x as following probability distribution. They only given here probability distribution. Previous problems we are finding the probability distribution, but here they given this is the probability distribution of random variable x. So now determine first problem k, second problem p of x is less than 3, probability of x is greater than 6, probability of 0 less than x less than 3 we have to find here. 4 problems we have to solve. In that first one we'll see here solution number 1. We know that we have to find the k value. We know that sum of all probabilities in probability distribution is equal to 1. We know that summation is nothing but sum of all. Pi is nothing but P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus so on Pn up to n. Sum of all probabilities equal to 1. When probability distribution is there, they given already this is the probability distribution. So sum of all probabilities equal to 1 you will get. Therefore 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. So now I'll simplify this one. K square plus 2k square is 3k square plus 7k square is 10k square. 10k square. Next 3k square plus 2 5k square 5k plus 3k 8k plus k 9k plus 9k. One side right side, left side it will become minus 1. So now simplify here 10k square factorization 10k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you take the common 10k, k plus 1 you will get, minus 1 take common, k plus 1 you will get equal to 0. K plus 1 take common, 10k minus 1 equal to 0. K plus 1 equal to 0 or 10k minus 1 equal to 0. K equal to minus 1 or k equal to 1 by 10. K equal to 1 by 10. This is the value. This is not k value. Why? Because k must and should, probability must and should greater than 0. So k value is 1 by 10. If you are taking k value is, this is wrong. K is minus 1. Why? Because here minus 1. Probability is minus 1. It is not a probability distribution. So that's why k must and should 1 by 10. Two possibilities is there, but this one only we have to take here. Next, problem number 2. K value finding completed. Next, problem number 2. P is nothing but probability of x is less than 3. X is less than 3. What probabilities is that? X value less than 3. X value less than 3. What are there? 0 or 1 or 2. 0 or 1 or 2. So I'll write probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. Why we are making addition means either 0 or 1 or 2. R is there, compulsory we have to make the addition. So next step, x equal to 0. What is the probability of x equal to 0? X equal to 0. That means here writing 0. X equal to 0 means 0 is the probability. Plus P of x equal to 1. X equal to 1. P of x value is k. Plus next one 2k is there, 2k. The total is 3k. 3 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 3 by 10. So P of x is less than 3 is 3 by 10. Why? Because k value we know already. K value is 1 by 10. Their substitution making k value. Next one, number 3. Number 3, x is greater than 6. P of x is greater than 6. P of x is greater than 6. That is equal to, what is a greater than 6? Greater than 6 means 7. So P of x is equal to 7. That is equal to, what is the P of x equal to 7? Probability of x equal to 7 is 7k square plus k. Here substitute the 1 by 10 value, 1 by 10 whole square plus 1 by 10. If you are taking LCM, 10 by 100, that is 17 by 100. 17 by 100 is the probability of x is greater than 6. Next, number 4. Number 4, probability of 0 less than x less than 3. 0 less than capital X. Here also, this is a capital X. X value lies between 0 and 3. That means probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. Greater than 0, less than 3. What are the values? 1 and 2. So what is the probabilities of x equal to 1? X equal to 1 is k. X equal to 2 is 2k. That is total 3k. Total is 3k. Substitute the k value. 3 by 10 is the probability. 3 by 10 is the probability. This basic finding the problems will use in exercise 13.5 also. That is important for 5 marks question. So concentrate and do these problems. Pause the video to note it down. Now, another important problem, number 9 in exercise. This is an important problem. The random variable x has a probability distribution P of x of the following, where k is some number. They didn't mention here box, they given data. This data convert into probability distribution table. Then we have to determine the k value. Previous problem also we discussed determine k value and remaining simple problems here. So now first of all I'll write down the table. X, P of x. X is 0 is there. 1 is there. 2 is there. Otherwise. So 0, what is the probability? Is k. 1, probability is 2k. 2, probability is 3k. Otherwise 0, probability is 0. So now this is the probability distribution table. Previous problem they given directly probability distribution table, but here you have to write the table from the data, given data. So now, problem number 1, determine the k value. We know that sum of all probabilities equal to 1. We know that summation of I equal to 1 to n, pi equal to 1 probabilities. I am not writing in words. Sum of all probabilities in probability distribution is equal to 1. So you can write here k plus 2k plus 3k is equal to 1. 6k is equal to 1. This implies k equal to 1 by 6. K equal to 1 by 6 is the k value. First question completed here. Next we continue the second problem. Second problem number In this one 3 is there again. So first one I'll take. Find the probability of x is less than 2. What are the less than 2 values here? 0 and 1, not equal to 2. So less than 2 is 0 and 1. 0 or 1. Either this one or, so that's why plus probability of x equal to 1. So substitute the values there. K plus 2k, that is 3k. 3 into k value is 1 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 by 2 is the probability of x is less than 2. X is less than 2. Probability is 1 by 2. Next, another one. Probability of x is less than or equal to 2 they given. Less than or equal to 2. Number second question in this one. Less than or equal to also there. So that purpose here, probability of less than means 0 or 1 or probability of x equal to 2 also. Equal is there, so equal to 2 we have to write here. Next, probability of x equal to 0 is k plus 2k plus 3k. X equal to 2 is 3k. Substitution just here. If you are simplifying 6k, you will get 6 into 1 by 6 is the k value. Cancellation 1 is the probability of x is less than or equal to 2. This is the second problem in this one. Next, another one is where probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2. So first I'll write down the equal to 2 plus probability of greater than 2. Greater than 2, what is there here? Otherwise is there. So I'll write equal to otherwise. That means greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Negatives not possible. So this meaning otherwise means compulsory greater than 2 on. So P of x equal to 2, P of x equal to 2 probability is 3k plus otherwise probability is 0. That equal to 3 into k value is 1 by 6, substitute here. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 by 2 is the required probability. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 2. So this is the way of finding the problems. Important problem. Pause the video to note it down. Next we see the similar problem. Example problem. This is example problem number 26. This is also important problem. Same to same as a previous problem. They given x is the number of hours you study during a randomly selected school day. The probability that x can take the value x as the following form, where k is some unknown constant, p of x equal to x. This one no need to read total. Just this is a very important thing here. This data convert into table, probability distribution table. After that, find the k values and remaining problems we'll see. First of all, we'll convert the data into table. So P, first of all, x and P of x. X equal to 0. Probability is 0.1. X equal to 1. Probability is kx. X equal to 2. Probability is kx. Either this one or that one. Both are same only. Next, x equal to 3. X equal to 4. Otherwise. Otherwise is there 0 I am writing. Next, x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means what here? 5 minus x value is 3. Here you observe 5 minus 3 into k you will get. X is 3 substitution here. So how much you will get here? 2k you will get. Next, 4 substitution. X place 4 substitution. K you will get. K you will get. This is a rough work. By seeing also we can write here 2k and 4 substitution means k value you will get. So this is the probability distribution table. Next, we'll continue the problems here. Number 1, we know that summation I equal to 1 to n, pi equal to 1. Sum of all probabilities equal to 1 for finding the k value. So add the all probabilities here. 0.1 plus kx plus kx plus, sorry, here x value also we have to substitute. X equal to 1 means k value you will get here. X equal to 2, 2k you will get here, 2k. So here what you will get? K and 2k plus again 2k plus k plus 0 equal to 1. Sum of all probabilities. Here x value we have to substitute here. So then you will get total in terms of k's. So next, here 6k. Total 6k equal to 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9. 0.9. K equal to 0.9 by 6. If you are making 0.15 you will get. K value is 0.15. K is 0.15. Next, problem number 2 here. Probability, what is the probability that you studied at least 2 hours? At least 2 hours. At least means minimum 2 hours. Maximum we don't know. So probability of at least 2 hours. That is probability greater than or equal to 2. We discussed lot of places, at least means symbol is greater than or equal to 2. So now greater than or equal to 2 means equal to 2 or equal to 3 or equal to 4 or otherwise. So probability of x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means 2k. 3k is 2k plus k plus 0. That is total 5k. 5 into 0.15. 5 into 0.15. 75 you will get. 5 5 are 15 5 are 75. So 0.75 is the at least 2 hours studying probability. Next, in this only next one, exactly 2 hours. Probability of exactly 2 hours. Otherwise write in words first. Exactly 2 hours. Exactly 2 hours. That is probability of x equal to 2. Exactly 2 hours. That is 2k. 2k is there. 2 into 0.15. That is 0.30. 0.30. That is nothing but 0.3. Next one. Probability of at most 2 hours. At most 2 hours. At most 2 hours. That is highest. At most means less than or equal to. At least means greater than or equal to. We discussed lot of places this concept. So now probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. Less than or equal to means 0, 1, 2 possibilities is there. 0.1 plus probability of 1 is k, Probability of 2 is 2k. 0.1 plus 3k. 0.1 plus 3 into 0.15, that is 0.1 plus 0.45. Total simplification 0.55 is the required probability. At most 2 hours reading probability is 0.55. So this is the way of finding the problems. So pause the video to note it down. Now we see the next concept. This is only last concept in this exercise 13.4. In first year concept also we discussed statistics, mean, variance and standard deviation. In probability distribution also we will discuss the mean of random variable and another one is variance of random variable. Based upon that one, we will discuss the standard deviation also. So first of all, what is the mean of a random variable? So let x be a random variable whose possible values x1, x2, so on, xn occur with the probabilities p1, p2, p3, so on, pn respectively. That means indirectly they are giving here p of x and x. x1, x2, so on, xn, p1, p2, so on, pn. Probability distribution table. The mean of x, the mean of random variable x is denoted by mu. This one we can read as a mu. So denoted by mu is a number. It is a number. Summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi. This is nothing but here I am writing here expansion also. This is nothing but x1 p1, x2 p2, so on xn pn. This is only we are writing as a summation. This is called a mean of random variable, mean of a random variable denoted with mu. So it is a very simple. If you know the values and probabilities, first one multiply, add, second one multiply, add, so on. How many values is there? Value multiply with respective probability, addition with remaining all. So this is called a mean of a random variable denoted by mu. It is a number, value you will get. Next here, another point is the mean of a random variable x is also called a expectation of x. Another name of x is, another name of mean of random variable is expectation of capital X, denoted by E of x. E of x is nothing but expectation of x. Expectation of x is nothing but mean of a random variable. So expectation of x equal to mu is equal to mu also same only. So summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi. Xi is the possible values of capital X and the probabilities of x values. Probabilities of pi is nothing but probabilities. So this is the important formula. Based upon this one, we will see some problems also. So now next one. This is the formula basically. We have to remember here this formula. What is the mean and what is the expectation? Mean and expectation both are same only. Don't confuse here. Mean and expectation both same. Next, variance of random variable. Variance of random variable. X be the random variable whose possibilities values are x1, x2, so on, xn occur with probabilities. Actually probabilities what will write? P1, P2, P3, so on, Pn. That is nothing but P of x1, P of x2, P of x1. Here like that row. P of x1, P of x2, so on, P of xn respectively. That means probability of x1 is P of x1 we are writing. We are not writing P1, P2, P3. Instead of that one we denoted by P of x1. Next, let mu equal to E of x be the mean of capital X. We know mu is nothing but expectation of x, is the mean of capital X. The variance of x is denoted by VAR, variance of x, or sigma x square also we can write. We denoted by where of x or summation sigma x square is defined as sigma x square is variance of x, that is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n into xi minus mu. Mu is nothing but here mean of the random variable whole square into P of xi. P of xi. Summation is that you have to remember. Or another way also we can write sigma x square equal to, this is not summation, this is E. This is here capital E. E of expectation of x minus mu square. Here you observe, here E of x means this value. This is only shortcut. X plus what we are writing there? X minus mu. X minus mu. Here also x minus mu. Xi minus mu we have to write. This is only we are writing another form. Nothing is there. Expectation in this one. This one is summation. Next, another form of the variance. Another form of the variance also there. We'll use this formula only to solve the problems. Variance of x equal to E of x square. Expectation of x square minus E of x. Expectation of x whole square. Here whole square, here inside square. Where E of x square means what? E of x means what is there? Summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi. E of x square, here square writing means x place you have to make the square. There E of x square also what we wrote. Just if you know the table, probability distribution table, if you know variance finding and mean finding is very easy. One more value is the standard deviation. If you are sending root that side, standard deviation is nothing but just sigma x. Root of variance, square root of variance is called a standard deviation. Shortcut we will denote it right. We can write as a SD also. SD is nothing but sigma x, that is square root of variance is called a standard deviation. So here this is the one formula, important one, and this is the variance formula, important, and this is standard deviation. We will get directly by square rooting the variance, we will get the standard deviation. So 1, 2, 3. Based upon these three formulas, we will discuss some problems also. So pause the video to note it down. Now we see the one example problem, and this is an important problem. 1-2 times they asked in previous exams also. So here direct I am taking the probability distribution table. The probability distribution of capital X is the given. Find the mean, variance and standard deviation. Three values we have to find here, that is mean, variance and standard deviation. So solution is already here direct table is there, x1, x2, x3, p1, p2, p3. So I'll write the mean value. First of all I'll find the mean. Mean is nothing but expectation of x, or mu also we can write it, but I am taking here E of x is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi. x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3. How many is there? N is there up to n. Here how many there? x1, x2, x3. 3 is there. So direct I am writing here 0 x1 0 into p1 188 by 221 plus 1 into 32 by 221 plus 2 into 1 by 221 if we are making simplification, 221 is the LCM, this value is 0. 32 into 1 is 32 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 34 by 221 is the mean or expectation of capital X. Mean of capital X is 34 by 221. Next, variance we have to find. Variance formula what? Variance sigma x square is equal to this formula I am using, E of x square minus E of x, where E of x square is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi square into P of xi. P of xi. Otherwise, pi also we can write that one. So now I'll find first of all E of x whole square here. Formula whole square. E of x already we know that one. This value only. So don't worry about the E of x. But we have to find here E of x square. We have the formula E of x square. So I'll find here expectation of x square is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi square into P of xi. So here xi square means 0 square into P of xi. P of xi is nothing but P of pi, P1. 188 by 221 plus 1 square into 32 by 221 plus 2 square into 1 by 221. So this value how much will get? Expectation of x square is equal to this one 0. Take the LCM 221 32 plus 2 2s are 4. 36 by 221 you will get. 36 by 221 is the E of x square value. So variance is E of x square. E of x square is 36 by 221 minus E of x whole square. What is the E of x? E of x is 34 by 221 whole square. 34 by 221 whole square. If you are making simplification this one, you will get 6,800 by 221 whole square. That means here first of all 34 whole square you make, 221 whole square. Take the LCM 36 into 221 minus 34 whole square divided by 221 whole square. If you make this simplification, 6,800 by 221 whole square is the variance. Standard deviation sigma x is equal to square root of variance, that is this value, square send right side, it will become square root 221 whole square, that is square root of 6,800 divided by 221. If you make more simplification, perfect figure you will get. The number is 0.37. 0.37 is the standard deviation. This is the variance. This is the standard deviation. Here mean value. So this is the way of finding the mean, variance and standard deviation. If the given table, it is very simple, but formulas is very important here. This formula and this formula both very important. So pause the video to note it down. One more problem in exercise 13.4, problem number 10. Find the mean number Just mean is asking of the heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. 3 times is tossing a coin, the number of heads based upon number of heads, what is the mean number? So here probability distribution not there, so you have to make the probability distribution first. After that mean finding is, we can continue. S is equal to, first I'll write down the sample space, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2 cube is total 8 outcomes, sample space. Next, let x be the random variable represents number of heads, therefore probability of x equal to 0. Here you write then values 0, 1, 2 or 3. 0 possibility sets is there, one head possibility heads is there, 2 heads possibility, 3 heads possibilities is there. So variable values is 0, 1, 2, 3. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 is nothing but no head appears. So what are the probability? That probability of tail, tail, tail. So now how many there? 1 by 8. Favorable is 1. Total is 8. So 1 by 8 we can write. Next, probability of x equal to 1 is equal to, that means one head appears. One head appears is P of x equal to, no need to write x equal to. What are the possibilities of one head? One head means, here you observe, probability of head, tail, tail, or this one. R means I am writing direct here probability plus tail, head, tail, or probability of tail, tail, head. So probability is what here? 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. That is 3 by 8. Next, probability of x equal to 2. 2 heads getting probabilities. So probability of head, head, tail, or R means addition. Probability of head, tail, head plus probability of tail, head, head. So this is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. That is 3 by 8. Next one, probability of x equal to 3. 3 heads probability. Only one is there. That is head, head, head. That is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So now you draw the table, probability distribution table. X value, P of x value 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is a 0? Probability is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. X represent the number of heads. So probability distribution table completed. We discussed lot of problems based upon this probability distribution. Now just the extra thing is mean we have to find. Mean is nothing but E of x, expectation of x. That is nothing but mu summation I equal to 1 to n xi pi, xi pi. That is 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8. So take the LCM is 8. This one 0, no need to write. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Plus 3 into 1 is 3 again. So total value is 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by 8. That is 4 2s are 4 3s are. Answer is 3 by 2. Mean or expectation of capital X when 3 tosses of a coin, fair coin, head appears is 3 by 2. Probability is 3 by 2. That is nothing but we can write value 1.5 also we can write. So this is the way of finding the mean problems. If for example this problem only variance asking means next variance step you have to make. Variance formula sigma x square is equal to E of x square minus E of x whole square. E of x square separately we have to find and simplify. Standard deviation asking means square root of variance. So remaining some problems is there in exercise. The total problems no need, just you observe the how to solve the mean and variance and standard deviation problems. These problems is important problems up to now we discussed. So remaining problem no need to discuss here. So that problems you take as a homework, and by this problem we will conclude this exercise 13.4. So pause the video to note it down.